Hey kindergarten, it's Miss Corey and Mabel, and welcome back to Phonics time. Mabel was so excited by all of your amazing poems yesterday that she wanted to write her own poem as well. So let's read her poem and let's find out what rhymes Mabel used in her poem. So here we go. I'm gonna hold it up for you so you can see. At the ice cream shop by Mabel. Which one is best? I cannot tell. It is hard to pick. I think to help me choose one well, I'll give them all one lick. Uh-oh, now I'm starting to feel sick. Okay, so that was Mabel's poem. She did a pretty good job, didn't she? Okay, well, when we're looking for words that rhyme, a lot of times we're looking for words that have the same ending. So who can find some words that have the same ending? Shout it out. What do you see? What words have the same ending? Yeah, I'm hearing pick and lick and sick. So Miss Corey's going to take her pen and I'm going to underline pick and lick and sick. So pick and lick and sick, those rhyme. Oh, there was other words that rhymed? Who can find those other words that rhyme? Yeah, well and tell rhyme, and those came from the first line. Well and tell. Very good. So kindergarten, if you notice with this poem, our words that rhymed always came at the same part. Either the end of the first line for tell and well, or the end of the second line for pick, lick, and sick. But we always ended with those words that rhyme. And if we notice, if we wrote notice, the words that rhyme have the same endings. I-C-K or E-L-L. So kindergarten, today I want to remind you that when writers use lots of rhyming words to write fun poems, that a lot of times they're using an ending and just changing the beginning sound of that word. So they're picking a word and then they're just changing that beginning sound to create a new rhyme. Okay, the last part stays the same and the first part changes. So I was thinking for today's work that we could write some poems about animals. It's spring, we're getting nice weather out, so let's write about some animals of the spring. So Miss Corey was thinking that maybe we could write about a cow or a duck or a chick or a dog, okay? And that we're gonna first pick one of those animals and come up with words that rhyme with it. So let's start with a cow. Who thinks they can find words that rhyme with cow? Okay, who thinks they can come up with some words that rhyme with cow? Just shout them on out. If you are having problems coming up with words that rhyme, remember we can use our alphabet and replace each consonant with a letter in the alphabet. So A, B, C, D. Dow, no. K, D, E, E won't work. F, fow, no. Jow, no. How? Does how rhyme with cow? Yeah. Cow, how? H-I, no. J, jow. K, cow, that's the same. L, low. M, mow, now. Now, does now rhyme? Yeah, now. O, no. P, pow. C, P, Q, R, S. Wow! Oh, what about B from the beginning? Bow. And you could even get some blends in there and have chow. So what Miss Corey just did was she came up with a list of words that rhyme with cow. So now that I have words that rhyme with cow, I could write my own poem all about a cow. The cow doesn't know how to bow. Oh, wow. So the cow doesn't know the cow doesn't know how to bow. Oh, wow. So I used my words in a poem. Okay, so let's try again. Let's try again with a new word. Who thinks they could come up with words that rhyme with our next animal, the duck? Duck. Start thinking of words that rhyme with duck and yell them out at Miss Corey. Wow, kindergarten, I'm hearing so many good words. I heard muck, duck, muck, luck, duck, muck, luck, tuck, duck, muck, luck, tuck, yuck. And then I even have some blends like truck and pluck. So I came up with all these words that rhyme with duck. So now could I come up with a poem for duck? Could I come up with a poem for duck? You bet I could. I could say, the duck needs some luck because she's in the muck. Oh, yuck. So let's read that poem one more time. The duck needs some luck because she's in the muck. Oh, yuck. So again, I came up with a poem based off of the words that rhyme with my animal. So your job today, kindergartners, your job today is that you are going to write your own poem about an animal. You could either write about a chick, a dog, a cow, a duck, or any other animal you want. Remember, because we are trying to rhyme with duck or cow or chick or dog, we want to pick an animal that is a one-syllable word that's easier for us to rhyme with, because that word is going to be your rhyme. Again, I'm going to ask you to write about 4 lines. First, you're going to come up with the words that rhyme. So you're going to come up with your words that rhyme. And then second, you're going to come up with your 4-line poem about your animal. I can't wait to see what happened, what you come up with. I did attach some examples for you guys to look at, but I can't wait. Have so much fun. Mabel and I can't wait to read your poems. See you tomorrow.